A makes the sound A. 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 A is for ant. Ant. A. A. Ant. A is for apple. Apple. A. A. Apple. A is in the word panda. How many A's can you see? Panda. A. A. Panda. Trace the letter A with your finger. B. This is the letter B. B makes the sound B. 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 B is for bear. Bear. B. B. Bear. B is for bird. Bird. B. B. Bird. B is in the word rabbit. How many B's can you see? Rabbit. B. B. Rabbit. Trace the letter B with your finger. C. This is the letter C. C makes the sound K. C. K. C. K. C is for cow. Cow. C. K. Cow. C is for crocodile. Crocodile. C. Crocodile. C is in the word unicorn. Unicorn. C. Unicorn. Trace the letter C with your finger. D. This is the letter D. D makes the sound D. 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 D is for dog. Dog. D. D. Dog. D is for dolphin. Dolphin. D. D. Dolphin. D is in the word bird. Bird. D. D. Bird. Trace the letter D with your finger. E. This is the letter E. E makes the sound eh. E. Eh. E. Eh. E is for elephant. Elephant. E. Eh. Elephant. E is for egg. Egg. E. Eh. Egg. E is in the word nest. Nest. E. Eh. Nest. Trace the letter E with your finger. F. This is the letter F. F makes the sound F. 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 F is for frog. Frog. F. F. Frog. F is for fox. Fox. F. F. Fox. F is in the word giraffe. How many F's can you see? Giraffe. F. F. Giraffe. Trace the letter F with your finger. G. This is the letter G. G makes the sound G. 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 G is for gorilla. Gorilla. G. G. Gorilla. G is for gull. Gull. G. G. Gull. G is in the word dog. Dog. G. G. Dog. Trace the letter G with your finger. H. This is the letter H. H makes the sound H. 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 H is for hippo. Hippo. H. H. Hippo. H is for hyena. Hyena. H. H. Hyena. H is in the word seahorse. Seahorse. H. H. Seahorse. Trace the letter H with your finger. I. This is the letter I. I makes the sound I. 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 I is for iguana. Iguana. I. I. Iguana. I is for ink. Ink. I. Ink. I is in the word dolphin. Dolphin. I. Dolphin. Trace the letter I with your finger. J. This is the letter J. J makes the sound J. 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 J is for jaguar. Jaguar. J. J. Jaguar. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. J. J. Jellyfish. J is in the word banjo. Banjo. J. J. Banjo. Trace the letter J with your finger. K. This is the letter K. K makes the sound K. 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 K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. K. K. Kangaroo. K is for kite. Kite. K. K. Kite. K is in the word skunk. How many K's can you see? Skunk. K. K. Skunk. Trace the letter K with your finger. L. This is the letter L. L makes the sound oo. L. Ooh. L. Ooh. L is for lion. Lion. L. Ooh. Lion. L is for leaf. Leaf. L. Ooh. Leaf. L is in the word gorilla. How many L's can you see? L. Ooh. Gorilla. Trace the letter L with your finger. M. This is the letter M. M makes the sound M. 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 M is for monkey. Monkey. M. Monkey. M is for mouse. Mouse. M. Mouse. M is in the word ice cream. Ice cream. M. Ice cream. Trace the letter M with your finger.